people, this is clearly the face of true love. I mean, loving yourself is a form of love. Sort of. Ever get that feeling that you're being watched?
Uh-oh.
Come on, let's see what's on the other side of this wormhole.
Wow!
Wow, gadgets falling from the sky! Talk about fast delivery. An ice cream holder? Look, I like power tools, but we were promised ice cream. That's more like it. Brings new meaning to milkshake, doesn't it? I see the jeans, but what about the napkins? Oh, there they are. Time to see them in action. Sure, it frees up your pockets, but now you're wearing dirty napkins. On the other hand, what a way to make new friends. Wow, a real-life illusion. Kind of an oxymoron, don't you think? If you ever wanted to see something fall up, here you go. Well, from a certain point of view. When it comes to accessories, go big or go home, I guess.
Wow!
Cool. Though it would be better if it already came with nuggets. And a gravy bowl? Let's hope you like it shaken, not stirred. A pizza belt, too. Though, personally, I'd rather eat food than wear it. Now you're a one-man catering company. Pizza and gravy? I've seen weirder toppings on pizza. How convenient. A pet brush that already comes with hair. Now you can cover yourself in pet hair in a pinch, whenever you want. And this hairless cat will be hairless no more. It's like a whole new cat. Like a completely different cat. Yeah, new gadget. I'm more curious about that hair.
Wow!
Oh, with this device, you can always watch videos. While enjoying a yummy snack. Or working out. Or even while doing housework. Okay, maybe you should occasionally give your eyes a break. Though there's no harm in watching a few more. Hint, hint. A camera cover? Should come in handy when you're not feeling selfie fresh. And there's no reason to fear those alien hackers ever again. You know there's a finger foods joke in here somewhere. Also should come in handy for a Hey Diddle Diddle puppet show. But it's time for the real test. Meal time.
Wow! Ew!
Now you're always ready for dinner.
Yuck!
Though you really shouldn't eat alien food without consulting your doctor first. Well, it looks soft, but I don't think you're supposed to sleep on it. This would be great for those gender reveal parties, especially if you're having twins. And your towel's never out of reach after a shower. Wow, these aliens sure love their phone accessories. Assuming the aliens are behind all these gifts. Oh look, you never have to worry about smudging your screen again. And you can finally use your phone in the tub without worry. Oh, and it cleans more than your hands.
Wow.
A blanket? Looks like the aliens want you to stay for a while. Okay, we see the blanket part, but what about the transformer? Oh, it gives you leg room. Then again, sometimes your legs need protection.
Cool.
Slap on. Let's hope that didn't hurt. Oh, and the magnet holds all your hair clips. Wait, what's holding up those buns?
Maybe she has the force with her.
This makes cleaning under the couch a breeze.
Wow.
And look at all the new friends it attracts. Kind of like a cross between a hoodie and a fanny pack. And the fanny pack's a convertible.
Cool. Wow.
Oh, 20% off. Now we can afford 5 times as much. Just think, all this stuff and we don't have to lug around a cart. And with the plastic bags we're cutting back on, the Earth will thank us. Well, we all had a lot of fun today with our alien friends. But seriously, how do we get back home from here? Alien-rific stuff. Is that a word? Oh well, catch you next time.